Colonel Eugene "Gene" Carolan. Gene Carolan was born on March 12, 1947, in Scranton, Pennsylvania. After his family moved to Detroit, Michigan, Gene graduated from Detroit Henry Ford High School in 1965. In 1967, he was drafted into the United States Army. After graduating from basic training, Gene attended Army Officer Candidate School and was commissioned as a second lieutenant, training as an Army helicopter pilot. After earning his aviator wings, Gene was sent directly to Vietnam. Serving as a Cobra gunship pilot, Gene was awarded the Silver Star, Distinguished Flying Cross, several Air Medals, Bronze Star, and the Purple Heart. After leaving the Army, Gene attended Eastern Michigan University and earned a degree in accounting in 1972. Gene then joined the Michigan Army National Guard in 1977 and served for 2 decades as an officer and helicopter pilot. He served as a helicopter platoon leader, air cavalry troop commander, and assault helicopter battalion commander. Gene was directly responsible for the successful training and mentoring of an entire generation of Michigan Army National Guard helicopter pilots, many of whom deployed on tours of duty to wars in the Middle East. Gene retired from the Michigan Army National Guard in 1997 as a colonel and was placed on the retired list of the United States Army when he turned 60 years old in 2007. In the private sector, Gene was a CPA, owning his own accounting firm, championing small businesses in the Lansing area, and serving as president of Junior Achievement of Mid-Michigan. Colonel Eugene Carolan passed away on July 22, 2021. For his contributions to military aviation for the state of Michigan and the United States of America, Eugene "Gene" Carolan is enshrined in the Michigan Aviation Hall of Fame.